Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about others, charts, targets, updates with my customer concept, what's going on now for wide sector of altcoins. Let's dive in. All right guys, with the take profit indicator, daily time frame, everything is still relevant. So this idea I shared recently, and yes, we joined back to this range like 61, 0.5 FIB. 285 billion, 318 billion capitalization. Hard to say how long we will consolidate in this range. Maybe we will see the new all-time highs for some of altcoins this October and November. You know, of course, I just showed you the direction, so it's not like by timing. You know, it can be the November 75, for example, like this one. It's a daily time frame, and yes, it's more than real to see the 1.61 level by FIB, 598 billion capitalization of all altcoins sector, and I think it will be the time to out of alts. Can we go higher? Yes, of course. It's almost 1 trillion capitalization. All altcoin sector, but I don't think so we're gonna reach that targets. I'm more conservative one. So I showed you this direction in middle of June, this one. You can find the idea, and yes, we are now can consolidate in this range, you know. Take profit line, now it's the 345 billion. Exit line, it's 389 billion. I don't think so we will see something like this one to the buy line. I don't think so. 173 billion on the 23 by FIB. I don't think so. That's why now the trend and direction is uptrend. So uptrend move. Not all altcoins, guys, perform. I think some alts, you know, like low cap, they will pump and dump significantly, and people will lose a lot of money because the market makers, I think, just my personal opinion, my logic, you know, the BTC too heavy, and they need more just pump and dump them to grab liquidity to put the BTC higher, you know. And Ethereum performed now pretty good one. That's why the alts pump it, and I think the Ethereum sector will lead the market. Previous year it was the Solana Sol season. Now probably it can be the Ethereum season, and Ethereum will go to the main target. So that's why, guys, this is a global charts on the daily time frame. Weekly still the same. So here, take profit 340 billion capitalization. Exit line is still in this block. So absolutely everything relevant. The chart looks like Ethereum chart, but without an all-time high. Oh no, we didn't hit the all-time high. So pretty similar to looks pretty similar to Ethereum. It looks like double bottom, you know. So the size of this double bottom can be something like, let's say like this one. So anyway, the reward is open to the new all-time highs. If we double check on a monthly time frame, yes, we way over exit line. So here we tested a take profit line above. So I think we will see another leg up. But guys, from this one, it's like almost 100% based on others chart, and it can be the top of the top for alts. Something like this one in a bear market. Bear market to the buy line will be around, I don't know, here, or a 145 billion market capitalization. 211, 145. That's why, guys, build a realistic price target for all your favorite altcoins in your portfolio, because not all tokens will perform. For example, the Mantra already performed at this run. 36,000% gains already made it. The Kaspa already perform it. So a lot of alts perform. Sol, even the Sol, for example, not so far from the, again, new all-time high. The Ethereum, some layer 1, layer 2 projects, I think also will follow, but I don't think so. For example, the Starknet will hit the new all-time high. So not all tokens will hit it. Take a look, the weekly time frame, the updates here. This is a top, and I think we will see another leg up on weekly time frame. So here, and we will form the huge divergence on the on the daily time frame. Let's mark it like this one. And yes, it can be the one and maybe the third double top on ADZ and something like this one, for example, and going down. So this is a way, guys. It's hard to say. Maybe we're gonna hit, for example, the first new all-time high in October, November. After that, drop correction in winter and another bounce on some alts. The new all-time high again or new high can be one more time in a spring 26, and after that it will be the huge divergence. Imagine it will be the 3 years divergence since December 23. That's why, guys, we are not in that stage, you know, where we just at the beginning. Not all alts, guys, hit the new highs. That's a problem. Not enough liquidity, right? And take a look at the market mood, direction. I can't say now some euphoria on a wide sector of alts. No, it's just a positive, some hope, optimism around here. So we need to see something like this one. So probably if it's just optimism. So if we compare the previous cycle for alts, we're here in June 21, and now this is August 25. So pretty similar, right? So you can open the chart of your favorite altcoins and double check how they perform. Take a look at the direction. Also not a signal to sell. Not a signal to sell, guys. Money power. Take a look at the money outflow. Money outflow from the alts. This one. Now nothing. Daily. Let's hide this direction. Daily money inflow being here in at the beginning of August. Now nothing. No money inflow, no money outflow. Monthly time frame, also nothing. No money inflow, no money outflow. That's why I think now it's good. It's good time to accumulate alts for a long run. Trade on, sell, drop buyback, sell. Now no buyback. And take a look, guys. Even if this is a, for example, double bottom, I guess on the line chart we will not see this week. Take a look. If we form the double bottom, so it can be this one. After that, some pullback like local cup and handle, this one. And anyway, the size of this double bottom global one, it's anyway with a weak candle straightforward to 600 billion capitalization. And yes, it can be the top of the top. So pretty similar what I showed you before. And take a look at the weekly. On the weekly, yes, it doesn't look like double bottom. On the weekly, you know, it's more looks like head and shoulder, right? And straightforward down. That's why, guys, it's all the time a lot of variations what we can see on the charts, but all the time, guys, what we can do, we just can build a plan and stick to our plan. Plan can be at the end right or wrong. So we are here not to be always right. We're here to be try to be profitable on a distance, and we can control only the risk management. That's why, guys, targets for others I showed you. I'm waiting the new all-time highs for many altcoins from the top 100, for example, and even more tokens will never hit the all-time high. That's why be careful what targets you wish to see for your altcoins in portfolio. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about other charts. Are we going down from this current price? Are this is a head and shoulder, or this is double bottom? If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.